Voluntariness is will. Freedom is free will. Tiger, say for example, wants to hunt and therefore hunts. Does the bear forces the tiger to hunt? But the tiger has no other option. The tiger is a slave of its hunger. It is not a sentient being. It is not awakened. So देखना बहुत सारे aspirants होते हैं, वो पढ़ते पढ़ते एक टाइम के बाद उनको भी निर्वाण मिल जाता है. They become awakened. और जब वो awakened हो जाते हैं तब उनका selection हो जाता है. When they understand that we should not do things which others are also doing. Because if you keep on doing the same things as others are doing, and your efforts are completely neutralized, you have to do something else. Means ऐसे सोच कर देखो. But I'm not encouraging this, just for the sake of an example. There are some fantasy cricket game sites or gaming apps. So you make a team of your own. Now, if you make a team which is very predictable and everybody else has also made the same team, your chances of winning are very less. But if you make a team which is very different from others, there is a chance that you may win. That is freedom. Freedom of thinking otherwise. They think in a prototype. They feel that this is what is best for me. But with time, they understand it was not best for them.